Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the materials and triggering the event. Walk to the bus stop with 300 wood and 5 iron bars in your inventory, then interact with the broken bus hood. Once you speak with Robin or Willie, choose the repair dialogue to register the job. This flags the quest and lets the game consume your resources. Make sure to complete any prerequisite community bundles or Joja membership choices first, because the game checks progression before allowing the repair to proceed. You now finalize the construction sequence. After confirming you want to spend the materials, the game runs a short construction timer, usually 1 or 2 days, so avoid deleting important items or leaving mid-save during that period. Once done, visit the bus stop. If the repair succeeded, the exterior will change and the bus becomes interactable. If bundles are required, complete the vault or pantry tasks first. Remember to check your mail the next morning for any follow-up instructions or You finish by testing the repaired bus and troubleshooting if needed. Walk up and buy a ticket or interact to travel to the desert. If the travel UI appears, the repair completed correctly. If nothing happens, reload the save and confirm the 300 wood and 5 iron bars were deducted. If they weren't, the quest may not have triggered. Make sure you've completed prerequisite bundles or Joja membership steps. If issues persist, restart the game and reinitiate the repair dialogue with the NPC.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.